Hi students, welcome to maths class. In the previous class we started about percentage, how to express a given fraction into percentage or decimal numbers into percentages. Today let us continue the same topic. Look at this problem. Express rupees 5 as a percentage of rupees 25. 80 pice as a percent of rupees 4. 700 grams as a percentage of 2.8 kg. 90 cm as a percent of 4.5 meters. So here we must remember one thing. Whenever we express percentage, both quantities of the same kind. So this is pice, this is rupees 4. So change them into same quantities. Here rupees 5, rupees 25, no problem. Here 80 pice, this is in rupees. Here grams, here kilograms. Must be changed. Centimeter, meter should be changed. Okay, let us see. First question. Required percentage equal to rupees 5 by rupees 25 into 100. Simple. First quantity by second quantity into 100. 25 ones, 25 fours. So 5 fours are 20. Keep percentage simple. Okay. Second one. Both are not in the same unit. Rupees 4 means 4 into, change it into pice. 1 rupee means how many pice? 100 pice, right? So 400. Clear? So now I can find the percentage. The required percentage equal to, first one is 80 pice upon 400 pice into 100, because percentage has no units. Since it is ratio, it has no units. Remember that point. So 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel, 4 ones, 4 twos. So 2 tens are 20. Clear? Third one. 700 grams, this is 2.8 kg. 1 kg equal to how many grams? We know that 1000 grams. You remember? 1 kilogram equal to 1000 grams. So 2.8 kg means 2.8 into 1000 grams. Change it into grams. So here I told you, do you remember? With one decimal point, 1 0 will be gone. Then this will be 28. Here 1 0 is gone means we have 2 more zeros. Just remove the decimal point. And how many digits are there after decimal point? Only 1 digit. So 1 0 will be gone. So this 1 0 will be gone and decimal will be gone. So 2 more zeros as it is. Now I can find percentage. Required percentage is equal to, first quantity is what? 700 upon 2800 grams into 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. 700 times 7 fours are 4 ones, 4 25s. Percentage. For everything you need to be perfect the tables. Don't forget. 1 meter equal to how many centimeters here? 100 centimeters. Because this is in centimeter, this is in meter. Both should be in the same unit. So to 4.5 meters I must change. Equal to 4.5 into 100. So with 1 0 point will be gone, this will be 45 and 1 more 0 as it is. So required percentage equal to, what is the first quantity here? 90 upon 450 into 100. Sorry, only 1 0 is gone. So 45 ones, 45 twos, 2 tens are 20. So this is the way we express the percentage of first quantity with the second. Second one you see, express the first quantity as a percentage of the second. Same model. Same model you see it. I will explain that also. So ₹40 ₹2. ₹2 means 200 pice. Can you understand this? 1 rupee equal to 100 pice. 2 rupees means 200 pice. So required percentage is equal to ₹2 upon 40 pice upon 200 pice into 100. Express the first quantity as a percent of the second, means first quantity by second quantity into 100. But here second quantity is in rupees. That should be changed into pice because first quantity is in pice. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. So for 2 ones, 2 20s. So 20%. Next one. This is first one. Second one. Grams and kilograms. 1 kilogram equal to, I told you, just 1000 grams. So 6 kilograms means how much? 6000 grams. So required percentage equal to, first quantity is 500 upon 6000 into 100. 2 zeros gets cancelled. 2 threes, 2 25s. 25 by 3. It is improper fraction. 3 8s are 24. 1 will remain upon 3. You can change it into mixed. Third. Seconds and minutes. You know 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 6 minutes means how much? 6 into 60. That means 36. 360 seconds, right? 360 seconds. Required percentage equal to, what is the first quantity here? 42 upon 360 into 100. 42 upon 360 into 100. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 6 6 are, 6 7s are, 2 3s are, 2 5s are, 7 5s are 35 by 3. 3 11s 33. How much will remain? 2 by 3. Is it clear? 11 2 by 3. See here, 11 3 is 33 plus 2. 35 by 3. Okay? Let us see next one. Find the value of each of the following. Find the value of each of the following. First one, 20% of ₹150. Okay. 90% of 130. 15% of 2 minutes. 7.5% of 500 kg. Okay. Okay, we will see. Find the value of each of the following. First question, 20% of rupees required answer equal to, percent means what? Per 100. Is that clear? 20% means per cent means by 100 into half means product rupees 150. Clear? Simple. 20% of rupees 150. 20% means what? Per 100. So 20 by 100 into 150 as it is. Okay. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. Rupees 15 twos are 30. That is the answer. Simple. Next one you see. The 90%. Percent means what? Per 100. 90 by 100 into 130. 0, 0 cancel. 0, 0 cancel. 9 3s 27. 9 1s are 9 plus 2, 11. This is just value. That's why no units here. 117 as it is you can write. Okay. Third one. %% of 15% means by 100 into 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. You can change it into seconds also, no problem. 5 threes, 5 20s, 2 ones, 2 tens. So 3 by 10 minutes. 3 by 10 minutes. 1 minute means how much? 60 seconds. You can change it into seconds also, no problem. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 0 0 gets cancelled. 6 3s are 18 seconds. Okay. You can change it, no problem. Required answer is equal to, last one you see, 7.5%. 7.5% means by 100 into 500 kg. You can change this now. 0 0 gets cancelled. 7.5 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are 35 plus 2, 37 kg. So 37.5 kg. That is the required answer. Okay. Next one we will see. A girl gets, fourth question, a girl gets 65 marks out of 80. What percent marks did she get? Okay. So required percentage equal to how many marks she got? 65 out of 80 into 100. Change it into percentage. Your marks by total marks into 100. Simple. 0 0 gets cancelled. 2 4s, 2 5s. That's all. 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30 plus 2, 32. 325 by 4. 325 by 4, or we can write 81 1 by 4 percentage. Okay, change it. 4 1s are 4, 4 8s are 32. 324 plus 1, 325 by 4. We can change it into mixed fraction. A class contains A class contains 25 children. Of which 6 are girls. What percentage of the class are What percentage of class are the boys? Okay. Total how many students we have? 25. Total number of children. How many? 25. In that how many girls? Number of girls how many? 6. Can you say number of boys? How many boys are there? 25 minus 6 means 19 boys are there. Is it not? 19 boys are there. So, what percentage of class are the boys? Required percentage. Required percentage means percentage of boys I am finding. How many boys are there? 19 by total how many children we have? 25 into 100. Did you understand now? To find the percentage of the boys, how many boys we have in the class? 19 upon total how many? 25 into 100. Suppose if you like to find the percentage of girls, 6 by 25 into 100, like that. So 25 ones, 25 fours, 76%. Okay, so that is the final answer. We will see some more problems in the next class. Thank you.